What if I told you that spending money is supposed to hurt, and that the reason you're broke isn't because you're bad with money, but because that pain was taken away from you? Think about the last time you spent money without even noticing it. No pause, no internal debate, just a tap, a swipe, a click, and it was gone. Now ask yourself this: would you have made the same decision if that money was sitting in your hand as cash? Because here's the uncomfortable truth. Money doesn't feel real anymore, and when money feels fake, it's dangerously easy to waste. Picture this: you're in a store. You see something you want, not need, want. The price tag says $500. In one version of reality, you pull out five $100 bills. You feel their weight. You count them. Your brain instantly pushes back. That's groceries. That's rent. That's time. That hesitation isn't weakness. It's your financial immune system doing its job. Now rewind the scene. Same item, same price, but this time you tap your phone. Beep, approved. No emotional reaction at all. Same loss, same damage, completely different experience. That gap has a name: the pain of paying. And modern payment systems are designed to eliminate it. Your brain processes spending money in the same regions that process physical pain. This isn't poetic, it's neurological. Pain creates friction. Friction creates evaluation. Evaluation prevents regret. Remove the pain, and spending becomes automatic. Look around. Credit cards, contactless payments, one-click checkouts, subscriptions you forgot you even signed up for. Every layer of convenience adds distance between you and the reality of your money. Casinos understood this long before Silicon Valley did. That's why you don't gamble with cash. You gamble with chips. You're not betting $100. You're pushing colorful plastic across a table. The money stops feeling real, so you spend more of it. Now bring that same logic to your phone. V-Bucks, Robux, points, coins, digital tokens that turn real money into something that feels like a game. Children learn early that spending is just pressing buttons. Adults aren't any different. We just call it Apple Pay. And the data is clear. People spend significantly more when payments feel abstract. Not because they want more, but because nothing forces them to stop. So what do? You don't reject technology, you add intentional friction. Use cash for discretionary spending, remove saved cards from your apps, turn on instant transaction notifications, delay online purchases by 24 hours, make spending slightly uncomfortable again. Because friction isn't the enemy. Friction is feedback. The goal isn't to make spending easy. The goal is to make spending conscious. When money moves too fast, it usually moves away from you. So bring the feeling back. Notice the pause, respect the hesitation. That moment is intelligence, not fear. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe. This channel is about making spending meaningful again.